Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Moneyplay Official. Today I am going to explain you, I am going to compare this Moneyplay and Forces plan. These days many smart Ethereum contracts type plans are running in the market, but to best plan Moneyplay and Forces, I found these are the best plan and I should compare these for the people who wants to start uh, and who wants to thinking to start for any contract basis plan. First, I will request you to read the disclaimer so that you can understand and decide should I go for these plans or not. Uh, when I thought when I thought to compare these plans, Forces and Moneyply, so main questions coming from the people's and from my mind also, which plan is better, Forces or Moneyply? The Moneyply is claiming that they are having the system which takes only a few uh, bucks of money, a very less network fee. Is this true? Moneyply is also claiming that there is a good non-working income or passive income. So, is there any non-working income? Smart contracts are really safe or not? This is also a question. People thoughts. People tells about many things about smart contract, but is this really safe or not? We will discuss about that also. And what is the Moneyply plan? Forces is running from many months, and now many people know about the Forces. So I thought I should discuss this Moneyply plan also with my viewers. The first question is, which plan is better, Forces or Moneyply? First thing first. But here, no. First we'll go to last. We will discuss it later. Uh, you check, you see the complete video, and you will decide. You will be able to decide which plan is better. The second question is really gas fee or network fee is low in Moneyply? In your At your screen, you can see the network fee is almost 0.03966 ether, almost 1.5 dollar. This network fee is in Moneyply when person was joining, and you can see that date is 27 August 2020. So this is not uh, uh, very older screenshot. Here you can see only $1.5 is network fee, whereas in other contracts like Forces or any other contracts, the network fee goes to $20, $25, or more than that sometimes. So network fee and is a means you can see you are saving a lot of money in network fee. In if you decide to join this Moneyply, this is really a good thing I found in Moneyply. Third one question is there any non-working income in Moneyply? So you can see a screenshot at your screen. Let's see this at bigger screen. Uh, you can see there is a income of $24.13, or in Ether you can see the 0.075. It is a little bit tiny, but hopefully you can see, or I will try to show this ID on online also. The M1 income is zero. You can see he has not done any direct till that. M2 is also zero, but there are you can see two IDs in his downline. These two IDs are has come from upline, but they had not paid anything to this M2 in this M2 matrix to this ID 16. If these two IDs starts working and joins someone, uh, directs someone, then they will give the income to this ID 16 uh, in this M2 matrix. Means there is a non-working income, and this income also come into Forces. This is also a non-working income, but remember, this depends only on upline. If your upline is good, he is working good. If he provides you a good member in your downline, If that downline starts working, then you will get a non-working income through this M2 matrix, which come into forces also. So there is a non-working income in forces. There is and the same income is in money play through M2 matrix. But here one more matrix has been added is M3. This 0.075 ether income, this ID16 has earned through this M3 matrix only. Means he has not done anything. He has not joined anyone. He has not started work till that. But even then, he has earned 0.075 ether. This M3 matrix is totally non-working, totally uh, passive income, because if you are not working anything, if you are not going to join anyone, whoever is working in the system, they will brings the ID, and that ID will go down to someone globally according to his turn defined in the system. The fourth question is smart contract really safe? Yes, smart contract is really safe. It is connected to the blockchain, and blockchain system is very secure and safe system. I will show the smart contract, also try to show online, so you can see that there is no money on a smart contract. This contract is just to pass on the payment from one ID to another ID, or one wallet to another wallet. The fifth question is, what is Moneyply plan? So joining is in Moneyply is 0.075 ether, and the joining with network fee or with gas fee is almost zero point zero 0.08 to 0.085 ether. First, download the Trust Wallet in your Android phone, load the ether in it, copy the referral link, whoever sended you. If you want to join through me, the link is in the description. Copy that referral link, open your Trust Wallet, go to web browser of Trust Wallet, not of Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or something like that. Uh, Go to web browser of Trust Wallet, paste the link there, open the link, make the payment. Just there you will get the you will see the option of making the payment. Make the payment. It will automatically take from your Trust Wallet and will transfer to your referral Trust Wallet. This 0.075 will divide into three metrics. It will go to M1, M2 and M3, 0.025 to each matrix. This M1 is your direct upline. Whoever referred you will get 0.025. Then next 0.025 will go to your uplines to upline. 0.025 he will earn. Now the third one, M3. Remaining 0.025 will go to M3, and this M3 will go to someone based on his her turn. That means you will also get this income when someone joins. If you will ask when your turn will come, usually it you can just multiply your ID to 4. When if your ID is 100, when 100 into 4 is 400, means when the 400 IDs will be there in the system, your turn will come to earn this M3 income, this 0.025 ether. This is a big income. This is a big benefit in the Moneyply. This passive income, this non-working income, right now no system there is in the market which gives this M3 income. Now I will show to some online IDs to you. The moneyply.io, you can open this site in your browser and just go to join now. I'm going to log in because I have ID there. Uh, so I will go to login and will show you some IDs there. First I will show you the 16 number IDs which I was showing in you earlier. So you can see there still this ID has not done anything. No one is in his direct M1. In M2 you can see there is two IDs, but these are not his direct. They have come through their upline. You can see overflow from up. This has come through upline, and these two IDs have also not started any work. So these are there is nothing in this. There are no directs in this matrix. So he has not earned anything from M2 also. When these two IDs will start working, then he will get 0.025 ETS from each ID. So there is zero income from M2 matrix. Now come to M3 matrix. M3 matrix, he has one spill. I will open this for you. Now you can see from three IDs he has earned 0.025 from 59, from 60, from 61. You can see there are three IDs, means 0.075 ether he has earned before without doing any job, without doing any work. Now I will show you to smart contract also. This is smart contract address. Let's check this. How much money he is having? Ether value $70, means $70 is there in smart contract, but you can see one pending is there, one pending transaction is there. This pending transaction is $70. All other are completed. If when this pending transaction will be completed, there the ether value will be zero. Means any smart contract having the value of zero is okay, is safe, because they are not taking anything from you. They are just a medium from uh, for the transactions from one wallet to another wallet. Now the question first again, which plan is better, Forces or Moneyply? So Forces and Moneyply is there is a comparison between these two plans. Network fee, uh, uh, Forces is high net have Forces have high network fees. It's maybe 0.005 to 0.05 ether, not zero point 0.5. 0.5 is very high. 0.05 ether. Moneyply is having less ether. Even I joined with my ID that took almost 0.004, I feel, or 5, something like that. On safer side, 0.005 to 0.008 ether. It is very less as compared to Forces. Non-working income, I told you, in Forces depends on your upline only, whereas in Moneyply, the upline income in M2 matrix is there, but there is a M3 matrix which is totally global matrix and is totally completely non-working income. It's a very good income. Security, Forces is safe, Moneyply is also safe. Plan growth, Forces is doing good, but in Moneyply this is new plan, growing plan, better than Forces. You can decide to join this Moneyply plan. If you want to join, there is joining referral link in the description. You can join from there. In next videos we are going to tell you much more about Moneyply, about ether, about trust wallet. I request you to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching the video.